Watch the full video of this luxury modern house on Buildofy.com. Head to the description of this video to also download the PDF ebook with house plans and material details.
We have used Argyle pattern in many parts of the design of our house, including elevations and interiors. So from that pattern, we have named the house as Argyle House.
The project is located in the outskirts of Aurangabad because the client's requirement was of a relaxed footprint wala ghar. Basic idea of the client was to have a big house with a farmland, and their family structure is too small. So unka farm area is about 75% of the land and 25% is used for residence.
This is the rectangular plot. It is total 5 acres of land area. Here is the access road. This is the north, so this becomes north, east, south and west. This is the driveway for the residence. This complete area is used as the farmland, which they are using as a farm. We have a residential block over here in southwest corner. We have a recreational block over here. Here we have swimming pool. This is the complete private lawn area for the residents. From driveway we reach here. This is our parking area. Parking area and entrance steps. This is our water body. These steps lead to the main entrance, and here we have a nice sit out which can be used as additional parking space. House is designed on this east-west axis. This is the main spine of the house with all major areas facing towards north and all services facing towards south. This is our main door. This is all common area, and this area is our private area, more of private area. From entry you can see the entire house. Plan is completely open, no area is hidden. From every common area you can see another area. This is our entrance foyer. Here we have a nice Tulsi Vrindavan, and this is our formal living. From every common area you can walk into north side lawn. Moving ahead, we have a nice skylit area. So we have a nice green area and a double height puja area. Which has a double height RCC wall with small punches. So you can nice play of light from north. Moving ahead, we have a step up family sitting area. And dining area. From here you have kitchen area. We have a small slit over here. So from formal living you can see kitchen, and from kitchen you can see formal living. This is our south deck. This is the only window we have, a big window we have facing south. Rest all are facing north or west. And majorly services like toilets are kept in south side. This area is completely double height, which gives a connection, vertical connection between ground floor and first floor of the house, which also accommodates the staircase in that area. Staircase is located into the central courtyard of the house. It is the riser free staircase with metal plate and hardwood, solid wood treads. On the north side we have the complete facade, glass facade, which lights the complete floor area. On the west wall, we have double height wall with the differentiated Argyle pattern of made in hard wood, solid wood, with black, minute black borders, and it also has a big wall clock with a background of Italian marble. You can see this wall clock from throughout the common areas. Ceiling has a nice Argyle pattern made in POP with grooves and wooden planks. This is master bedroom. Facing towards its north, it has a swimming pool, and towards west it has its private sit-out area, and towards the south it has all the services and toilet areas.
The overall material palette in the house is kept very seamless and simple. The Italian floor used has been in a grey tone, and the veneer and the Italian which will be seen is common on all the floors, and the color used are very simple and subtle throughout the house, with some of pastel shades and a shades of grey. And the Argyle pattern could be seen in the common areas, which is used differently with a different material, but the same pattern is repeated in the common area some other way.
We have many pockets of small and big skylights throughout the house, and the facade sizes and window sizes are huge, so you don't require artificial light up till late evening.
हमारा ये दूसरा घर है। मेरा तो किचन तो ड्रीम किचन था। मुझे जो फैसिलिटी चाहिए थी वो फैसिलिटी गोपाल ने इस किचन में हमें दिलवाई, सो दैट आई कैन वर्क कन्वीनियंटली इन द किचन।
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग है कि हर कोई जब घर बनाता है तो हम हमेशा ये देखते हैं चीज़ की बिल्कुल मंदिर छोटा सा बनाते हैं, बाजू में कहीं पे रख देते हैं। तो उन्होंने ये सोच के इतना काफ़ी मंदिर बनाया है, मेरे को नहीं लगता कि कहीं आपको ये आजू बाजू में किसी के घर में ये दिखेगा। इतना लाइविश मंदिर, हर चीज़ का हम आनंद ले रहे हैं यहाँ।
The major challenge throughout the project was to complete that RCC wall, because it took us lots of efforts and everything. The local contractor also supported us very well, but it was a great learning experience. We have carefully designed each and every detail of the house, but without making it very much critical. Everything is designed, but it is kept simple.
We always wanted a house with small pockets of courtyards, green spaces, interconnectivity between all the spaces. But at the same time, we wanted our house to be very minimalistic, clean lines and less maintenance on the client's point of view.